Scobie, are you good, my brother?
Hayi, uthini lo baba kule advert?
I pass up.
Really? Sugar daddy pass up. Idala ngibona izinto mina. Yabaza sugar daddy bahlala baphefumulela phezulu. Bahlala bakhathela. Yini ayangazi. Siyajola vele. Yeah, siyajola. Alright. Yazi abantu abashuka daddy banoshukela vela ngithi.
That was lousy.
Oh, kanje ngoba yiyo hade brabo mshaphu kunjani utham.
Should I call Mapasika?
Ngibasabi ke ngicela ubatshele ukuthi laba ngiready ke mangabe bafuna ukuthi bafuna lapho second. What a week brabo.
Please give us an update of your relay maneuvers.
My team, one of my team members are here. Some of them are chilling there having coffee.
Does you making characters?
We are ready. But to those that have not registered yet, closing date is on Monday. Make sure you register your team as soon as possible. It was last minute. So funa kuza nge5. Siphelela Monday siyavala. Ngoba fanele ugcwalisa ama form ukubhadala. Sibe right. So wenza sure ukuthi by Monday team make register lesikhona ukugeca kube mnandi nge6 September eNazareth.
And hopefully, I don't know. Oscar would have been there, but he's not.
That's the thing about Oscar. This is the thing about iJele brabo. Ejele abakutshela izinto thina yithi sazi uOscar kaphumi namhlanje. Mara yena akazi yena utshela ukuthi Friday. Izolo bekapolisha insimbi zakhe. Yaphuma injake. Zoza ke akazi yena akazi ukuthi akaphumi. Thina siyazi. Yena utshela ukuthi Friday. It's just a life. But just kila uyazi. Utshela amajeli mizalalela kunento ongayazi. I'm out on Friday, dog. But izolo bathi kuyadliwa Oscar mina stampu. Prawns.
Asparagus.
Uthi Oscar una confidence that abangiphuma la ngiphuma vele sengijoga. Bathi yabathi ngedlini. Ngifuna ibham zami ukuqala ngithi ziphi ibham zami? Akazi ukuthi
Hayi namhlanje mama.
Yo, yazi angazi mangifika ekhaya angazi ngiqala ngenzeni yazi or ngiqala ngidobole or ngilolela. Uri pom. Ubheka uJubi, you know. Amabantini tane language I was like, hey Jubi, I got Jubi. I'm out, dog. Nekasi dog. Yours gonna be a shubi. I'm ex-girlfriend achabulile as mangifika for lo mapasa ngithi hey ukuphi ngize oruzozela la yazi ibhantini ihlale lechera K1 beloku imnakekele kuna le 1 nje baby manje akazi yena ngithi uza ngekhiya namhlanje kusini uza khithling ngathi aphumise njani but sir Mr. Pistolas put your back down at foreign shubela kumanzi phansi amakhamera ngimele bathi namhlanje relax uyamasa keep inyawo zakadama mara nangijoyela akhasa yolala tanga akhuduka phansi ngoba laba abathatha amathina abadonsi proli yabo so na akhuduka yephansi bathi nota akhofe ngikhalile nginje
Oh gosh.
Jup yambeka sweet amaningi. So fast sonke. Don't do that to me, I'll shoot you. Ngani?
Isa.
Ngoba noma sorry bro ukuthi sihamba se tripping but I-trip cancel. Bakhansela nami. Isona mara simzwelini mara isona. Mana kaphuma kuyini kulahleli 10 months angana inyawo. 10 months yonke angana inyawo. Maybe akageza ngeva slabhe phelele. Ungageza ngeva slabhe phelele unga. Geza nge isona makathatha ishower la mntwana ngathi uhleli phansi ishower. Akathatha ishower kahleli kanjini. Shower. Amabhanja phela uthi right ngani? Kodwa ugeza ngale insimbi wena. Akageza ngale insimbi ke. Manje ugeza Ntontseni.
Hey man, die.
Uzanizokhuthula. Mama msula bamthintita ngathi ijezo vup. Akalala embhedeni ophelele ejele ulala kulo abantwana wona abantwana lo ecourt ulala ku court izandla zakhe neenyawo zalingana lapha ngizophuma ngidubula wonke umuntu eCountry before ngibadubula ngifuna bakhaba and ayingenzi ngale ngono ngithi nengono ngifuna bakhaba ngale nyawo zakade ama elbow. Now, one thing I love about Down Basekazi Bratiba from Tembisa and Tembisa, we have got to Panyazelo who's from Tembisa. La baba wathanda uvalikolo kanti why la baba athanda uvalikolo no Bratile khona manje ivalikolo mangabe kune problem ngiyavala la ngiyasikwala si why hayavala just ngiyavala uvalikolo bro uvali isikolo abantwana abafundi usivalile maqedwe yogunda isichiko uthi air angune spirit la why la baba athanda uvalikolo uvala yong la baba le wathanda uvalikolo khona mimi nakwakho nento ezivalayo nje uvala yonke into la baba enyavala la bathi hayiyavala siyavala why hayasivaleni principal yahlupha alright vala lapho vala nasendlini mina yakhe ukuthi baby ngiphakelela ngithi yabo yokuvala ekamereni ngiyawukhola
Kaya FM 95.9 good music. As I was saying to you, Scuba, they put me in a car.
Who was driving?
The blind guy was driving.
When Selga left?
His name is Hein. Yeah, Hein.
Lela uthatha impilo yakho yonke 25 years of raid wathi yazi Hein yazi ngikhaleleni ukufa uHein akabona emehlweni mere driver
yeah
yini ngawe udriver kahle
yeah
so who othi 10 left 10 right
no he has his own navigator it was fantastic yes
yazi bro sometimes impilo dala ngokuthi ufuna ukuzibulala mara wazi kanjani iradio sekhathaz lo because after radio angeke usebenze eHighnamen or your rank umdala for zonke lezi zinto lezi yasikhuluthi yasingenzani Hein wozala do you know how to drive white people you know this I got this abelungu abaningi abanye ababoni baya drive abanye bana inyawo ayagijima
no
banye baya eMakruger National Park bavula ama window. White people always want to kill themselves for some reason. Yes, I want to kill myself today. What do I want to do? I want to drive. Drive what? Ekasi kunomuntu ongaboni. Akala nduku okokuqala. Unokuvula ifridge athi yabanda. But vali fridge man. Kasi kunomuntu ongaboni ulahlekile 3 weeks yonke. Unokubamba imeli akathi yo baby awumila umamazala wakho lo mbambile uzo. Hey abelungu ba drive ababoni abelungu ulokubhizineza collusion abelungu ababoni. Kasi ubani umaziyona okay ubu Samson una 20 years angaboni emehlweni akabaza abantwana bakhe unokuthi cabanga asithi uPrastive Kekana no Babs Mlangeni bathi as drive athi Babs ini ngoba asinanduku asina wheelchair driver nathi hayi as drive but drive it in as a location but drive it in the bambela stontsana no abelungu ba drive ubaba wahle ka left nomlungu o driver 172 kilometers an hour ubaba lokathi ishaya boy gates dalo ufuna ukuzibula uqeda ukushada already so stressed ufuna ukuzibula lokho ngabona bravo bisono.
How many people were supposed to come actually? Because now you only have one person.
Bafanele babe 9 abasebenza abantu ngithi.
Oh, we have 3 people so far now. So
secret
there's about okay
secret ungawari ukuthi mana simnandi simadzela laba abayi3 thoka ba 3 people makumini Dlamini nalo Thibo Touch wakhe nalo ubani lo monye lo bejola nabakhulu labantu abadala ubani ukhanya loyo why bacabanga ukuthi sizobhadala ama e-toll thina
abasiboni ngaba abantu buphephe
okaqala uThibo Touch akahlale South Africa asiqaleni lapho akuna e-toll airport hlala dlulani umile Dlamini ube eDurban akunama e-toll okanye bawuhlala ngekho la makhehla babhizi bayenza into abazenza ema hotel abahlala kulama e-toll yithi sibe nenkinga yama e-toll yithi fanele sibhekane nalabantu laba ke give them horns yokwenzani asifuni ukudlula lapho phakathi hawu dlulani ku right ubuya Natal wena kokuqala la ubuya khona akunama e-toll kune big house ka daddy phela ayina e-toll nayo ine swimming pool neenkukhu eze-electricity inkukhu zakadeni ezegesi zihamba ngamabhetri ukoza bathi kuneenkukhu eshonile kuleya ndlu wena
No, man.
no ukawazi bathi kunesilwane esishonile kuleya ndlu yonke into ihamba ngamabhetri laphana inkomo zakhona zithi mru
We gotta go.
samray